what I'm saying? You need a couple thousand followers.
Boom. Shout him out, baby. Go ahead.
Hey, shout out to Thrilla.
Oh, yeah, let's go. Check out MJ Beast. Let's go. Ah, let's go. I love it. I got coming in. Let him through. Let him through. Hey, I'm your low. I'm your low. Yeah.
Stand, dude. Let's stand.
You and me both. I'll let you catch it and go one-on-one. Get over, get over. Yep, yep, yep. Pick, pick, pick.
Push here, Billy. Reset. Who's taking shots, boys? Most accurate shooter.
Billy, you're shooting.
Nope, not a chance.
Bad for the brand?
Bad, terrible, 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 boys.
You gotta do it.
So just fun.
I might be better off.
Running at it.
Yeah, yeah. What's up, man?
How are you?
Good. How are you?
Great.
Yeah?
See Rich 2-2, baby.
Oh, my man. What's up, brother?
I know you know me.
I do. I do.
My old man, A. Riches.
Hell yeah.
Dude, that dude's he's legit.
Good to meet you, brother.
You too. For the U-Hawk.
For the U-Hawk? All right. For the U-Hawk.
For the U-Hawk.
For Thrilla Nation. I'll do it. I'll do it.
Top 10.
Wait, that's good?
That's good.
What if I don't score?
Me, you, and Dane, or what?
Yeah.
Let's go.
No, hey, let Trevor go. Trevor will do it.
Want to go?
That's good content. Me giving it up. You feel me? You just got to score.
Camera's always rolling.
Camera's on, baby.
No deep, just a shot.
Hey!
Touchdown.
There you go, Trevor.
You're good stick.
See? See?
Good stick.
I told you, man. Good content.
Yo, I wanted the ISO so bad.
I know.
Frickin'
Next time.
Bulldogs, man.
I know, man. They ain't letting you play. Good game, boys. Hell yeah. Good game, brother.
Just like that,
Easy. Good game, brother. Yeah, good game. That's. Hell yeah. MJ Beast. Game, brother. Game, Brooke. Game, Daner. Oh yeah, Tice.
Hey, it's all coaching.
Dirty, dirty.
All coaching, yeah? That motivational speech at the beginning.
Just looking at you across the way.
Game, brother. Game, boys. Hell yeah. Good game, bros. Game, boys. Game, yeah. Good game. Hey, boy. Game, boys. Good game. Game, boys. Good game. Game, brother. Good game. Game, boys. Good game. Game, brother. Good game. Game, brother. Yep. Good game. Game, brother. Game, brother. Game, boys. Yeah. Hell yeah, Ty. Game, Cam. Hell yeah. Game, brother. Game.
Great job. I really appreciate you guys playing.
Hell yeah.
I'm here with Zach Reid. Zach, what do you have to say?
You want to talk to Liam. Liam played much better
Liam
than I did.
Patten.
Liam, get over there.
When you fell on the turf, what was going through your mind?
I was like, I gotta give this one back. And he did.